Patterns in numbers. Children, in the previous video, we saw that Chutki, with the help of her mother, learned to recognize and complete the patterns in objects and shapes. Today we will learn to recognize the patterns in numbers and take it forward. Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Children, today we will play a fun game with numbers.
A game with numbers. Wow, we'll have fun.
Chutki, you come here. Look, I'm going to play this tambourine and you will have to listen to its sound carefully and answer my questions.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, Chutki, how many times did I play this tambourine?
You first played the tambourine 1 time, then 2 times. 1, 2, 1 and 2. At that many times you played.
Well done. Yes. So children, I played this tambourine 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 times. So look, this has become a number pattern. Now it's your turn, Pinky.
Okay, sir.
Pinky, how many times did I play the tambourine?
You first played the tambourine 3 times, then 1, 3, 1, 3 and 1 like this.
Well done, Pinky. Yes, so children, now I will write on the board the numbers as said by Pinky. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Pinky, can you see a pattern in these numbers?
Here in the first line 1, 2, 1, 2, these numbers have been repeated to make a pattern, sir.
Yes. And in the next line 3, 1, 3, 1, these numbers have been repeated to make a pattern.
Sir, what will be the next step of this game?
It's very easy. Let's move ahead with this pattern. Tell me, what comes next in the first pattern?
In the first pattern, the next number is 1 followed by 2.
Well done, Chutki. Children, now to move ahead with the second pattern, which number comes next?
Sir, to move ahead with the second pattern, we will write after 1, 3 and then 1 again.
Rightly said. Now look, another pattern of numbers. Come, let us understand this one. In this pattern, it is 19, then 20, then 21. This means that each time the numbers are increasing by 1. Yes, so Chutki, you tell me what comes next in this pattern.
After 21 will come 22 and then 23.
Oh wow, well done Chutki. Come Pinky, now it's your turn. You take this pattern forward.
In this pattern, after 24 comes 25 and after 25 comes 26.
Very good, Pinky. So, children, are you having fun playing this pattern game of numbers?
Yes, sir. It is a lot of fun.
Children, come, let us see another pattern with numbers. let us understand the rules of this pattern and then complete it. Chutki, can you complete this pattern?
Yes, in this pattern 6 comes after 5.
Chutki, see the rules of this pattern. After 1, it is not 2, but 3. After 3, it's not 4, but 5. This pattern proceeds with alternate numbers.
Yes, so like this after 5 comes 7 and not 6.
Well done, Chutki. Come, Pinky. Now proceed with this pattern.
In this pattern 10 does not come after 9. The next number will be 11 and after 11 will come 13 and not 12.
Wow, Pinky, well done. Children, here in the first number pattern, 1 has been added to each number to take it forward, like adding 1 to 19 makes 20 and adding 1 to 20 makes 21. And in the next pattern, 2 has been added to each number to proceed with the pattern, like adding 1 and 2 makes 3 and adding 2 to 3 makes it 5. Children, tomorrow we will see more number patterns. Till then, bye, children.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Friends, today we learned to recognize number patterns and to complete them. In the next video, with the help of some more examples, we will see how to recognize number patterns and complete them.
Patterns in numbers.
Interesting examples.
Today, with the help of examples, we will recognize patterns in numbers and learn how to complete them. Children, in the previous video, we learned to recognize patterns in numbers and to complete them. Today, we will see examples related to this topic.
Okay, sir.
Today, I will draw a pattern with the help of square shapes. First 2 squares, then 4 squares, and then 6 squares. Children, can you tell me how to move ahead with this pattern?
In this pattern, the numbers of squares are increasing.
Yes, Chutki. Initially, this pattern had 2 squares. Adding 2 more squares makes it 4 squares. 2 4 squares, adding 2 more squares makes it 6 squares. Similarly, every time the number of squares are increased by 2. Can you guess how many squares will be present in the next step if this pattern is repeated?
Currently, the pattern has 6 squares. Adding 2 more squares, 7 and 8. This means there will be 8 squares in the next step.
Oh, wow! Well done! Similarly, in the next step, adding 2 squares to 8 will make it 10 squares. So, children, this is how we proceed with this pattern. Children, let us see another pattern. See, this pattern is made of buildings. Now tell me, how many floors are there in the first building?
The first building has 7 floors.
And how many floors are there in the second building?
The second building has 6 floors and the third building has 5 floors.
Okay, now let's continue and complete the pattern.
This is easy, sir. In this pattern, we reduce 1 floor each time and proceed with the pattern, right?
Yes, Pinky, rightly said.
Following this pattern and moving to the next step, we deduct 1 from 5. We get a 4-story building.
Well done, Pinky. Children, we proceed with this pattern by reducing the number of floors by 1 at a time. Hence, next step we get 3, then reducing 1 from 3 we get 2, and after 2 comes a single-story building. And with this the pattern comes to an end.
Thank you, sir. These patterns are very interesting.
Friends, today in this video, we learned to recognize number patterns and to complete them. In the next video, we will learn to correct the mistakes made while recognizing numbers patterns. Patterns in numbers. Common errors. Today we will see few mistakes made while recognizing number patterns. Children, you know about the patterns in numbers. So, today let us see some more patterns. In the given number pattern, you have to recognize the numbers that have been left out.
Okay, sir.
In this number pattern, which are the numbers that have been left out?
This is easy. 16 will come after 15.
No, Chutki. Look at this pattern carefully and find out how to continue with this pattern.
I did not understand, sir.
Look here. After 5 is 10. In this pattern, adding 5 to 5 has made 10. Like adding 1 to 5 makes 6. Adding 2 makes it 7. Adding 3 makes it 8. Adding 4 makes it 9. And adding 5 has made it 10. This way 5 has been added each time to carry the pattern forward. Similarly, 5 has been added to 10 to make it 15. So now tell me, in this pattern, going forward, what number will we get if we add 5 to 15?
If we add 1 to 15, we get 16. Adding 2, we get 17. Adding 3 makes it 18. Adding 4 makes it 19. And adding 5 to 15 will make it 20. So answer is 20.
Yes, and so similarly, adding 5 to 20 makes it 25. So this is the way to carry the pattern forward. Come, let us see the next pattern. Now, let's complete this pattern.
To continue this pattern, after 40 comes 41, 42, 43.
Oh no! Look at this pattern carefully. As the pattern continues, the numbers are decreasing.
Yes, here after 60, 50, and after 50 it's 40 written here. Sir, what is the pattern here?
Let's understand this pattern. In this pattern, subtracting 10 from 60, we get 50. Subtracting 10 from 50 will get 40. Similarly, subtracting 10 each time, we proceed with this pattern. Can you try now?
Subtracting 10 from 40, we get 30. Subtracting 10 from 30, we get 20. Subtracting 10 from 20, we get 10.
Absolutely correct. Children, you can see several number patterns like these.
Okay, sir.
Friends, in this video, we learned to correct the mistakes made while recognizing number patterns.